Manotim kawuono kama bende jadolo mar jokopere Anyolo ne otelone jodito mamoko mag kanisa no rapar mar manen jadolo mar kanisa jokopere Cardinal Otunga. Wawinjane kaka noloso motelo e kinde nyasi no.
What we hear and what we know and even what we read about His Eminence John Cardinal Otunga, and appreciate it for real, because we have people who are working on it. I want to thank the office that is being managed by Lawrence and sister who established this day today, that we can celebrate what we hear, what we know, and what we appreciate in the life of the Cardinal. And I want to thank the relatives who have come, because all this that we hear and we know about him, the virtuous life, relationship to God, has its rudimentary experiences in the family. You are part and parcel of the story of the soul of His Eminence Cardinal Otunga. I want to encourage especially the young people who have come in the formation to get to read, to know more about him, because as it stands, he is among the very first people in the history of Kenya Christianity that is propelling and on the path towards sainthood. The more you know him, is the more you integrate your life with the values that he lived. We have come today and come again and again when we are celebrating this occasion, because what he lived and what he has done. If I had also a quote from one of the speakers who came, should be lived from one generation to the next. You are the young people, we are the people who are still alive, who can continue living that. And as His Eminence has elaborated, he was very sensitive to the church, that is the Cardinal Otunga. And we thank Your Eminence also for teaching that by your way of life and example. We also, as in your formation, to serve the church with gladness, you have a chance to imitate that. You might not have seen him, you are hearing a lot about him, but let that word that you are hearing be that image that you have in your lives and in your hearts.